Hello, I'm Jenny Ellis from Little Wing Puppets, and I'm here today to show you how to make some simple puppets out of paper and then share with you some techniques to bring them to life. So, let's get started. Bunraku is a traditional Japanese form of theatre developed in the 16th century. It involves 3 puppeteers closely working together to operate one puppet. The puppeteers stand behind the puppet wearing black hoods and clothes. Against the black background, they become almost invisible. It takes 30 years of training to become a master bunraku puppeteer, but today we'll just be making simple puppets from paper and learning about some bunraku techniques. The first important technique is breathing. The puppet needs to expand when the puppet breathes in and contract when the puppet breathes out. There needs to be a small movement with the chin for us to see the air drawing in and being pushed out. Breathing can tell us how the puppet is feeling, such as when it's relaxed, it will be slow, and tense, it will be rapid. The next important thing is where the puppet is looking. The puppet doesn't need to have eyes to see things. You need to imagine where the eyes or nose are and point them towards the object. It needs clear, direct, focused movements, and the audience will believe it's looking at something. The next thing is, how does your puppet move? Does it walk, hop, fly, or jump? The most important thing is giving weight and gravity. An easy way to create a small story with your puppet is to find an object to interact with. You can say so much about the character of your puppet by the way it reacts to an object. Does it love it or hate it? Is it scared or hungry? This is a good way to start creating a show. I hope you enjoyed the workshop. Make sure you share with us any of your new puppet creations by using the hashtag #LittleWingPuppets. And also follow us on Instagram or Facebook to find out more about our upcoming shows and workshops. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.